Hey guys, I get asked all the time how to buy a rental, how to get started in rental properties. I've been doing this for 20 years, so I thought I'd make this quick video so whenever I get this, I could just send them this video. So the number one thing that I see people making a mistake with is they just overthink it. They overthink all the numbers. You obviously want to make money, right? You want to make sure your rent minus your expenses is more than your mortgage payment. But just to get started, just don't overthink it. The most important thing you can do is taking action. So before I get started into like where to look for the best deals, I want you to start out with some constraints. So your first rental, you don't want a big gut job, okay? You don't want to, that's way too overwhelming. I've never flipped a property. You don't get any tax benefits of that, and it sounds like a lot of work. So I've never done that, and I've never done a gut job. I have seen it work out extremely rarely. So I just wouldn't do that for your first rental. I also wouldn't buy a property in a flood zone. Flood insurance can be very volatile and can kill your cash returns very quickly. So I would watch out for that. Along with the big gut job thing, I also wouldn't try to do anything major like add a bathroom, bedroom, any kind of major construction overhaul. I would just avoid for your first rental. It's okay to just break even, maybe make $100 a month or whatever, just to kind of learn. You're just learning. That's the whole thing with this. You're just getting started, you're just learning, and hopefully you can take advantage of some real estate inflation and appreciation. The other big thing is you want to utilize your subcontractors. You want to make sure that their roof is good, the HVAC system is good, and actually the most important thing is the plumbing. So there's some statistic out there, and I don't know if I'm sure it's true. It sounds true, but it's like 80% of expenses in the home are related to water. So usually that's a toilet leak, some kind of a plumbing leak. So it's worth a couple $100 paying a plumber just to walk through the house and check out the plumbing. Don't rely on a home inspector for that. I would get an actual plumber to do that. So that's the kind of constraints I want you to operate in. I also highly recommend just kind of buying in an A or B area. Probably not the best area, but definitely not the worst. You want to buy just a great, safe area where it's just a great property. Hopefully can take advantage of some gentrification and some real estate appreciation. So now where do you go and look for these properties? So how I bought my first one was I was out running. I'm a runner, and it was a for sale by owner sign in the front yard. So that's I still call about those properties. I still love them. They're off market. Nobody knows about them, so you're not competing with out-of-state buyers or whatever. So those are the best deals that I really love. Second to that is wholesale deals. So wholesalers, they will give you a good deal, but you got to close quickly. That's the big negative. So you got to have cash ready to buy within a week, usually 2 weeks at the max. So those are my two best sources. The third, though, is the MLS. And if you have a good realtor that you like, I've bought great deals off the MLS that have worked out tremendously well for me over the long term. Again, just run your numbers, whatever makes sense to you. Don't overthink it, though. There's so many rules and formulas of people online talking about make sure it does this or that. Make sure it just works for you, and that's different for every situation. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, this is a huge topic. If you look up other videos on this topic, it's they're hours long. I didn't want to overwhelm the situation. I gave you the tools, some resources to kind of get started, some constraints. The biggest thing you can do is just take action. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks.